Make sure the tail hits the ground, yeah? She has no idea how hard that is. We can do that.
Was that it?
That was it. All right, guys, we're here today with
Natalie.
and
Mug.
and they want to learn
Strawberry milkshake, baby.
the weirdest trick in skateboarding, baby. Okay, so have you ever done this?
No. It's a no.
You're lying.
I really have not.
For sure you have.
I've tried them.
Really?
I've sipped them. I've not done them.
Okay, so this is the first step of the strawberry milkshake. Back foot by the trucks, and then you drop it like that. You got that? Right. Yep. Good? Okay, good. Now, you got that part? Now we're gonna swing the board around like that. Yeah. That's pretty much it. I've never done a skate support at one time with two people. It's very difficult.
It's a duo.
It's a duo. Okay, you ready? Drop it, and then once it's down, like primo style, swing it around.
And are you gonna catch it with the tail?
You're gonna catch it with your back foot, the same foot. I know. I didn't expect to teach that. I just thought you wanted a weird one from me. Okay? But your back foot, it kind of goes like in a circle, right? Like circle around. Back foot down. Okay? Your pants are too baggy. You're too 20-25. Can you do a no comply 180? No? We should maybe start with that. No. That was it. Okay, that was it. 100%. Down. Now swing it in a circle. Yeah. But don't even try and land it yet. Okay, first of all, look at this board's like a 9-inch. Look at hers compared to mine.
It's a baby board.
I'm not embarrassed.
That's a baby board.
Nobody saw that. Okay, you ready? Yep. Now swing it around. But you know, we can do a no comply 180 too. You want a no comply 180? Wait, what tricks do you guys know? Ollie?
We got Ollie.
Okay, I'm not trying to offend. Okay.
I've been trying to kickflip. Now in 3 different countries.
I can teach you
For
kickflip.
about a year now.
No comply 180 is the easiest one, I think. Like that.
What about backside? What about?
Even harder. Yeah, that's okay. That was good. You did that. Backside 180, no comply.
Is it backside?
Yeah, backside 180, no comply. Oh, you got that. You got that. We can do that. That's a frontside 180, no comply. Step off front foot, step off. 180, step on. Slow. Go, do it again. You're regular. Oh, you're going fakie? You're a monster. Oh wait, you're riding switch.
Yeah, I guess so.
Oh, she's doing switch no comply 180. It is easier for some people. Gabe finds it easier too.
Oh my God.
You got that. Just pop. Okay, here, stand off like this. Front foot like a little bit far away. Back foot on the tail. Pop a 180.
Oh, my shins.
Yeah, this is a shinner. Okay, ready? 180.
What is the form of self-harm?
I think you did it. Yeah, you got it right there. I don't care, regular switch, whichever way you want to do it. Step off, pop it, and turn.
And then you turn.
And then you turn.
That's actually me.
Yes! No, that's good. That's good. You're getting there.
We're getting there slowly.
But a little,
It's a no comply.
we're like so no comply that we're not even complying. Okay. Yeah, but hey, less like angry. You're like, ah! Know what I mean? It's more just like tone it down. It's a little gentle.
Okay.
Yeah, that was it right there.
Was that it?
That was it. But look, just let your foot stay there. Just a gentle. Like, look here. I'm gonna show you what to do. I'm gonna show you what you're doing. So you're kind of going like. Just gentle. Just breathe. Yeah, but now you gotta, that was good. Now pop the board. Good, now make sure the tail hits the ground, yeah? Okay, that was it. That was it. That's legit actually it. Wow. Weight, all the weight going.
All the way on the out.
Yep, and then you're gonna pop it light, and then you're gonna put your weight back to your other foot there and land. Does that make sense? And you're going like this, and then when you land, you're going this way. That's actually a good practice step for you guys. Can you do this? Just literally on the nose? Okay, good. You got that motion.
Okay.
Good, so transfer the weight, front foot, back foot. That was it! That was it right there. So your back foot just stays on the whole time. If your back foot is in this pocket right here, and then you just pop it around. Yeah, because your energy is going down and then forward like that, and it's pushing the 180. Yeah. You know what else you can do is you can do it as a shove it, which might be harder, without a 180. The other way though. But you got it. Just do the 180. Now I'm getting you mixed up. Okay, land that. Land that. That's it right there. Oh no, oh no. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, that's sick. That's really sick. It's better. That was a no comply ollie late revert.
No comply.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna help you. Your back foot is right there. It needs to be right there.
It needs to be back here?
Yeah, because you're in the pocket and you're turning. So when your foot is here and then you push this way, it's like you're grabbing it there, you see? If you're trying this, it's mostly going like that, and that's where it's getting erratic. But put your foot here and go that way. Just like that. There you go. There you go. Now just step off and do that and step back on. As slow as you want. Now step back on. Now step back on. Boom! Now you just speed it up. You didn't do the 180, but you know, you're getting closer. Yeah, now land on it. That's good, that's good. Yeah. That was it. The key is that back pocket, I'm telling you.
Okay.
And you're really close too. And then land. And then put your feet on. That's it. And then put your feet on. That's it, literally, that's it. You're making it complicated, it's easy.
Oh my God.
There's something really weird, like when you do a no comply and you just pop it with one foot and you get it up into the air, it's like literally the hardest thing to do. And I know they're trying to do a 180, but they can somehow weirdly do like a perfect like straight no comply, which is really actually good. But we're not gonna tell them that. Okay, go ahead, do the 180. Yeah, now put your feet on. Yeah, you're right there. Just commit. Slow, easy, step. Pop it, pop it. Bro,
Something's wrong.
how about this? Can you just push your board like that? See that? You get that? See that 180? Good, now do that with a little pop. I don't think I've ever live skate supported this trick. This is new for me.
That's new for me. Oh my God.
I hope you wore shin guards. Okay, same thing. Now just step back on. Welcome to skateboarding. It's blood, sweat, and tears. Go Skateboarding Day 2025. Pop it. And now put your feet on. I think you should just do that one. Forget about the 180. Yeah. Okay, you just landed that. That was good. Put it to the gram. Instantly to Instagram. Okay, now you gotta land. I'm not gonna lie, that, I could not do that. Like actually of everything, I couldn't do that. See how she popped just straight? It's really hard. What the heck? Land that! Okay, I'm gonna film that, this looks really cool. Honestly, that's what I want to learn. I want to learn just the single, just straight. She has no idea how hard that is. Oh my gosh, you landed it. Okay, right here, back to back. You ready? I'm not gonna lie, that's the hardest trick. What you just did there is the hardest thing. I cannot do that. Just the straight one is the hard. So hard. Okay, stop trying to show off and land it without the flip. It's right there. What are you doing? Put the feet on there. It's not that far ahead of you though. You got it. Pocket, yeah. Dang, if she only knew how hard that was. I would give all these tricks for that. Okay, you're right there. Pocket.
Should I shove it over?
Yeah, now we're getting serious learning mode. Okay, that's 1, 2. Okay, we're gonna go like a little more down and then forward.
Okay.
Now, do that and land on it. You got it. You got it, you got it. Now it's windy, which makes it 3 times as hard. Okay, you got it. Yeah. Please. That was good, that was good, that was impressive. I cannot do that. Oh! It was! Yeah! Very well done! All right, that was epic. Killed it. Okay, now you're gonna do that trick every day, and when you're sponsored, please remember me.
Aaron Caro, Skateboarding San Francisco. I'm gonna forget.
All right, keep skating. All you guys out there, learn this trick and have a blast. We'll see you in the next one.